Welcome everybody, how are you? In this video I will teach you mindful studying, how to do it. It's like we do mindful eating, we concentrate all our focus on whatever we are eating. This is called mindful eating. You focus, you totally concentrate on your food, no distraction at all, no TV, no remote, nothing to distract you. In the same fashion, when it comes to mindful reading, just only solely concentrate on a story. No mobile phone, no girlfriend, no boyfriend, no hanging out, nothing. It is as simple as that.